And I am the one who has to remove this, you guys. Oh, I'm sweating because I have been doing this for like, I think 2 hours or so. Hello everyone, welcome back to T's Family Channel. Today I will remove all of the old silicone and I will caulking again because it's getting very icky and old. So I already removed like about 90% of them. It's very icky, so I didn't want to show you from the beginning, but see, this corner I removed already. I use 2 tools and I break one of them. So this tool is pretty good in the corner, you know, get in the corner. And this one is for the rest of the area. So I cracked these corners already. So what I'm doing right now is I still kind of remove the old stuff right here to kind of smooth out the area. And this tool is perfect for that too. And earlier I'm using it to remove it let me see, this is the wide, it's easier to see. So let's say that you are removing this. All you need to do is pushing all the way in this way and in that way. Okay, this tool is perfect for that, and you do all the way along it on both sides. And then if you need to stop by here, just use the other tool and cut it. Okay, but this is good, so I just leave it right there. So this is it still have what is it, the thing that you filling in between for the tile, like this part is still have a little bit of it. So as you can see, it's very icky. So this tool is pretty good for this. See, you remove this. For example, let's do this. Okay. So you smooth it down. Yeah. And on the top as well. You have to make it smooth and clean, so when the new product applied, it will look much more nicer. I don't know what's going on with my house, but see, this is pretty good for the corner like this. You cannot get with the other tool, so you're using this tool. I don't know what's going on with my house in this week, but first of all is the dryer broke down, and then second is the air conditioning is out as well. So it's kind of hot as I'm doing right now because there's no air in my house. And there's something that my husband need to buy at Walmart, so he tell me to remove all the silicone, the old silicone in the bathroom, so he can caulking it again. So oops, sorry. See, it's pretty good. See, gotta remove it. In that corner, then you're using this, see? So after you kind of scrape all of the excess old silicone out, and you gotta use some of this brush and brushes in the corner, or brushes to wherever you had removed the old silicone. Okay, this is what I'm doing right now. After you removing this, you might to use the knife and do it again. Okay. I'm using this white and clean all the area that need to be recaulked, and because this is wet, so hopefully it will clean whatever is look dirty right now. Okay, so this is where I want it to be. Yeah, it does remove the dirty a little bit. Yeah, it does clean, you guys. So, use it. Wow, good. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. This piece is already wet. There. Wow, good. Do this corner first. Okay. This black thing is long time ago. There we go. I'm wearing the double latex glove. Okay. Because you will get into this corner and just want to extra protection for your hands, because I know it's very icky. Okay, hey, a little bit. So let's get another one. I just did outside here a little bit too. Earlier, you know, when I take these silicone out, the old water, I think it's stay in here, you know. It just keep dripping out, and it dry right now. So let me see. It should be dry in here too. No, not yet. So there's still water here. So I have to make sure it's all dry. So, but this is how everything looks for now. So I am ready to spray alcohol to clean everything, you know, to make everything bond. It's just my idea. It's not professional idea, okay? But it's just what I'm thinking for my house right now. So let me use napkins and try these out because it's keep wetting. Give me a second. So it's just sharing the idea, so it's not professional recommendations or anything, okay? So don't count on me, but if you are viewing my video and you like how it turned out, or you like my idea, or you agree with it, use this as your own risk, okay? But I'm thinking of everything is best for my situations, all right? Husband just come home with a new tool, 3-in-1 caulk tool at Walmart, okay? So it will be remove all caulk, silicone, rubber, smooth, has 3 profiles for laying down fresh caulk, which is this one right here, and scraper, keep surface clean, it's right here, and this is where you remove the old caulk. So this is the directions. So you're holding, I think I have to remove it. Give me a second. In the direction, it shows you to hold like this and remove is this side, or this side is up to you, okay? So I was stuck here earlier, but my husband wants to remove the whole thing since he got this new tool, but that's it too high for me, so let's try, okay? It's not that easy, you guys. Probably because I'm not tall enough or something. It's hard to remove because it's not sharp, okay? It's not sharp, it's a knife. Yeah. No, I don't think that's a good idea. Probably because there's two layers in here, you guys. So my husband removed from here to here, but not on the bottom, but I'm just remove a little bit here, but I get to the bottom as well. So no, I prefer the other way. I prefer the other thing, you guys. See, it's so hard. It's not as sharp. I don't like it. I don't like it, okay? Here. So everything is removing clean now and dry too. So the new tools is it's not work by itself, okay, for removing the old caulk. So you have to use the tool I used earlier. I'm pretty tired and I can't remove the little white thing, so I'm gonna leave it. So my next step will be spraying 70% alcohol to wherever I will apply the new silicone, okay? And over here, it is dry now too. Let me see. Yeah, okay, it's dry now, so that is good. It's dry out here and it's dry in here, so that is good. Alright, so I will spray alcohol and I will let them completely dry before I apply the new silicone. Alright? I completely sprayed the alcohol already, but I forgot to press the record button. But I spray it. You see how wet it is? And it smells strong. So I will get out and I will let it dry, okay? But I'll spray all over, even the corner on the top. So, alright, I will let it dry. Yeah, let me see. Yep, I did. Let's spray it. Okay, I will get out. It's strong. Alright, it's time for me to apply the silicone, you guys. It's this spot is the only spot that I didn't dry from the alcohol that I sprayed. And it's hot, so I have a portable fans in here, so it will keep the air, and then it probably I'll keep the fan for myself. Okay, if you like this, I will put the link under the description box so you can see it. I really like it. There's no plate and it's very quiet. It's a really personal fans, okay? You cannot share it because it's not that powerful, but it does help a little bit, okay? Alright, so let's start it. This is going to be the first time ever I do it. So if you want to use a bigger, then you just take this out. Okay, right here is a 1/8 inch. This is 1/4 inch, and this is oops, I lose the focus, and this is 3/16. So this will be better. Yep, I will use the 1/8. So you take it out and you switch it, okay? Alright, let's see. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. And this one is scrap the extra silicone. That's what it says. Okay. Alright. Let me see. I'm wondering if there's silicone on it. Well, it's this tool is scrap. It's pretty good, so I'm not sure if the silicone was there, you guys. Okay, oops. So it dry quickly. Okay. So, all right. Okay, so okay, so I'll do that way. So let's wipe this on a piece of paper. Okay, keep that right next to you. Okay, let's see. I have enough over here. Oops. It's kind of messy because this has a big gap right there. Okay, so this tool is help you do the job applying the silicone pretty good. Okay, I prefer it. Oops. But I applied a little bit extra over there so I can get that gap. Oops, where the silicone at? Now I don't know where it is. Okay. Removing the old caulk is not good, but applying is pretty good. Okay, let me wipe this. Yeah, see it better. Alright, so let's see. I'll do this way. The fan is helping keep me cool over here. Okay, let's see. Alright, that is all done. Oh, I think I forgot to cover this corner. Yeah, I think so. So that is all done, you guys. Some corners I do good, some corner I don't. It's right here. See, this is the new one and this is the old one. See, some corners I do pretty good, but some is not. So this is the first time ever I caulking the silicone for my bathroom, and the silicone smell like vinegar. Ooh, it's strong. So if you like this video, please give us a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.